Alright, just arrived to 6651 Customs. Gonna drop off the blower lid. Gonna see my guy Ryan. He's the owner. Cool guy. Always takes care of me. Alright, back home. Sorry for the wind distortion. Got a little windy out here. But, throwing on the gaskets. Gonna install the rivets on the blower. So you see I already got one installed here. About to do the next one. Gonna grab my rivet gun. As you see, rivets are installed. So once we set the blower down, you don't have to worry about this shifting or moving on you. It's just ready to drop in. Alright, just got done assembling the blower. Got the few little sensors that I had to swap over. Just installed the injectors and the fuel rails back on. Where's the lubricant? You always want to make sure you use proper lubricant. I use this. This thing works great. O-ring lube. You want to put. I cleaned them up and I put grease on top and the bottom. You want them to swivel a little bit. You don't want no O-ring to burst, cause a leak, possibly cause a fire. So you want them to have a little bit of play. As long as they move freely, they're good. Alright, another thing we're going to be installing is this DSX idler pulley. This one goes up here, it's 100 mil. So that will replace the factory OEM one, which is this one and that one down there. Both of those pulleys will come out, and once you get those two pulleys out, the bracket will be replaced. The factory OEM bracket will be replaced with the DSX one. This is the OEM one. Essentially, this one's going to be replacing this one. We are going to reuse this one though. So these were 15 mil bolts on the pulleys, and for the bracket there were 13s, total of 4. We will be transferring these over. This bracket installed back in the car. Alright, got the bracket in there. Got the pulley tightened up and the brackets tightened up. Pretty simple. Just make sure you snug the 413 mils. Remember, you reuse your bottom factory pulley, and this is the one that gets replaced, that gets sent in with the DSX kit. Now I got a 100 mil idler pulley on there. Less belt slip with this one. Alright, we're getting ready to drop the blower in. Just took the tape off the heads. My boy Vonti just showed up. Gonna give a hand. Always good to label your bolts in a bag, in a sandwich bag, and make sure you mark it with where they go. Makes life easier when you're putting stuff back together. Alright, blower is bolted down and torqued. You always want to make sure to mark your bolts. That way you didn't skip one. Also, if you ever come back and inspect, if a bolt's backing out, if the marking has moved. So did 60, then 90, and then I just ended up topping it off with 100 inch pounds, not foot pounds. Alright, inch pounds. But all the coils are plugged in. The injectors are plugged in. I'm starting to plug in all the other lines and boost lines and vacuum lines. Catch can is reinstalled. Getting there, making headway. Alright, we're going to install the Gates belt next. That's the part number. I'm running the 217 upper, factory lower still. Don't have a dampener yet. Be doing that in the future. Alright, got the belt installed. Alright, probably gonna install throttle body next. Alright, it's starting to get a little dark out, but about to install the 102 throttle body next. So since the blower's ported, we won't be using the gasket it provides when you buy it. We're gonna be using silicone on the snout. We're gonna be dropping a bead of silicone all the way around. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up for the day. Got the throttle body on. I couldn't get the tube on with the bigger throttle body. I need a bigger size coupler. The coupler I had on there before won't go over this 102 throttle body. Alright, Charles, ready to clock out? Done for the night? Alright, he said he's done. That'll do it for tonight.